Hope you all are safe and watching your videos regularly. Children, today we will learn about another interesting topic, that is air pressure. What do you see in my hand? It's a transparent glass. Look at this glass. See it carefully. What do you see inside it? Is there something here inside this glass? Many of you would say, "Ma'am, it is empty." But let me tell you, it is not. There is air inside this glass. Yes, air is present everywhere, all around us. But tell me, what do you think? Air is heavy. Do you feel it heavy? It generally feels that air is light in weight. Let us learn whether the air is heavy or light in weight. Now children, we all know that Earth is surrounded by an envelope of air, which is called atmosphere. And this atmosphere is divided into different layers as shown here. But do you know, all these layers exert pressure on Earth's surface, and this pressure by air is called air pressure. Air pressure is also known as atmospheric pressure. Now the question arises that, is air pressure uniform throughout these layers of atmosphere? What do you think? Think about it. Where would the maximum quantity of air be? Let me tell you. It is above the troposphere. There is much air above the troposphere, or maximum air above the troposphere. Then this much above the stratosphere. Then this much above the mesosphere, and so on. So as we move upwards, the quantity of air decreases. Therefore, air pressure also decreases. Now children, can you tell me which layer of atmosphere carry maximum pressure? Yes, it is troposphere. And atmospheric pressure decreases as we move higher. So you must have seen mountaineers carrying the oxygen cylinder with them as they go to the high altitude. The reason is air, that is air pressure, decreases as we go high. But why is it so? The reason is because air molecules are very close to each other near the surface of Earth, which means the air at the surface or near the surface is more dense. But as we go up, there is less air pushing from above. Therefore, the molecules of air get separated from each other. And do you know which device we use to measure the pressure of air? It is barometer. So barometer is the device which is used to measure air pressure. Now children, we said that air exerts pressure. Air feels light, but it is not light in weight. It is heavy. Air is exerting pressure from all around us. So to prove this, let's perform some experiment.
For the first experiment, we need one empty plastic bottle with cap. Now as we know, air is all around us, What do you think? Is there air inside this bottle? Let us check it out with this experiment. Let me try to crush this bottle with the closed cap. What do you think? What will happen? I am unable to crush it. I am unable to push it, even if I am trying hard. Now let us try this. Try the same by open cap. Now I'll remove the cap from the bottle and try to crush it again. Look, so easily this bottle crushed. I can easily push the bottle. I can easily push the plastic of the bottle. Why do you think this happened? It's because the air which was earlier present here inside the bottle when the cap was closed, this air rushed out as we opened the cap. So air is invisible, but it was still there when the cap was closed. Therefore, I was unable to crush the bottle. Now let us perform second experiment. For this, we need one tray, a plastic bottle filled with water. Plastic bottle should be closed with a cap, a safety pin, and a marker or pen. Now to perform this experiment, you have to ensure the cap should be tightly closed. Next, we'll mark 2 points in the bottle with the help of marker or pen, whatever you are using. So here I have marked 2 points in the bottle. Now with the help of this safety pin, I'll insert the safety pin in the bottle. I'll make 2 holes. Now do it carefully, children, with the help of your parents or any elder at home. After I made 2 holes in the bottle, look it closely. Can you see any water coming out of it? No. No water is coming out of these outlets. But what if I take off the cap? If I remove the cap, you will see the magic. Yes, the water has started coming out from the bottle. Look, the water is coming out of the bottle. Now if I'll place this cap of the bottle back, what will happen? Let's check. After I place the cap, I closed the bottle. No water is coming out now. Did you see? Now let us talk why this is happening. When there was a cap on the bottle, water wasn't coming out because all of the air which is present around the bottle was creating a pressure and was not allowing the water to come out. However, when I removed the cap from the bottle, air created pressure on the water and it allows the water to flow out of these outlets. So you see, air is magical, isn't it? If I remove the cap, the water starts flowing out of these outlets, out of these 2 holes, and when I close it, the water stops. No water is coming out. Now let us perform next experiment. For this, we need a tray or shallow bowl, a glass, water and a piece of cardboard. So firstly we'll fill the glass with the water up to the rim. Now fill it up to the rim of the glass at the top. Yes. Now the glass is completely filled with the water. Next, let's see what is the next step. I will place this cardboard directly on the top of the glass, and with the help of my hand, finger or palm, you have to hold the cardboard and flip the glass. After you flip, you'll see the magic. The cardboard is not falling off. What? The cardboard is not falling off. Now, do you know why this happened? Because there is all around air, right? So, when I flipped the glass upside down, the pressure of air from outside of the glass is so strong that it pressed against the cardboard to keep the cardboard from falling off. Isn't it amazing?
So, my dear children, we proved by these experiments that air exerts pressure. Science is so much of fun, isn't it? You can also show these experiments to your friends or family members as a magic trick, and later you can explain how this happened. So do try these experiments at home and share the video. Thank you.